Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Starting with the next most important topic, which is the firearms and its mechanics. A basic knowledge of firearms, ammunition that is required for us to know the kind of weapons, the kind of ammunition, the bullets, what they are going to transform the mechanics in the shape of trauma. So we should have a basic knowledge of firearms and how they produce, how they translate the mechanical energy into trauma. That is important for us. So this is the first lecture, and you can see that there was a study carried out at the Harvard Medical College in the year 2013 and 15, and they found out that out of 2,578 autopsies, the second leading cause after accidental deaths was the firearms. 736 cases were because of firearms. And the first cause is the accidental deaths, the leading cause. In unnatural deaths is the accident. The second leading cause is the firearms. So that's why it is important for us to know how they produce the trauma. And this was another study which was carried out in Punjab Medical College, Faisalabad, and they also found out that 45% of unnatural deaths were because of firearms. And we know that weapons is a fashion, and we since childhood the children are apprenticed by playing with the toys. They know what the firearms are. So, how they interpret the wound, how they produce trauma, that is important for us. What is a firearm? In simple words, what is a firearm? Word is itself telling an arm which fires. Any weapon which fires is firearm. But basically it is firing or throwing or projecting a projectile. That may be any. That may be a crossbow, that may be a pellet, that may be a bullet. So anything which fires is firearm, but firearm particularly is a weapon which propels a projectile with the help of ammunition, and that ammunition when burns, it produces tremendous amount of pressure, energy, expansive gases, which throws the projectile outward. So the firearm, an instrument or device which is capable of propelling a projectile by means of expansive forces produced by or generated by combustion of some explosive material. And when we go into the history of the firearm, first there, well, you know that bow and arrow and the crossbow catapulted a huge ballista, which is Minjanique, throwing off heavy stones with the help of a device. And it came from China to Europe. And the most important objective of producing a firearm is that it should be efficient, it should be accurate, and it should produce substantial damage, which is required. So the three main objectives: weapon should be capable of producing substantial damage, it should be reliable and convenient, and it should be accurate, reasonably accurate. This was the first gun which was registered as a patent percussion ignition system, that is firing pin, in UK by the Alexander John in 1807. So the earliest guns, they were first cannons, they were first initially front loading and then became the breech loading. Then now the most modern assault rifles, and most commonly the AK-47 after the Russian scientist Kalashnikov. And this is the most sophisticated weapon which has been produced by the scientists in 19